Hi guys, I'm here again. Wow, look at here. Too many. So juicy and sweet. You know guys, the Bible, it's real and alive and true 100%. And you know what? Because the Bible says, if you still connected to Jesus, your life, always bear much fruit. To the glory of God. Thank you so much.